we are now going to play a game titled Four Corners. So I'm pretty sure some of you have heard of this or played it in class. What you do is you read the question and then you choose a corner that you go to. And so how we're going to play it virtually is you're going to move the box based on your answer. So our question is asking you to give an example of a plot event from The Wizard of Oz. And so if I thought my answer was the farm, I would move this box. Nope, it won't let me. Well, you would move that box. I can't do it because I'm recording, so it's just going to go to the next slide. In fact, let's see if I do it like this. There we go. So you would move this box and it will give you whether you got it correct or if you are wrong. So you're trying to get as many corrects the first time around as you possibly can.